Okay, if you were watching the first video or the last video, you saw this cut off this problem, but here it is. So let's go ahead and get into it. So this is a parabola that opens up and down because x is squared. So the first thing we want to do is solve for y. So let's just add the 3 over. So if I add the 3 over, we get y is equal to -4, and then x plus 2 squared, and then plus 3. Oops, don't need that parenthesis. And this gives you a vertex of hk. So this vertex hk is to -2, 3. Make sure you can see where that vertex comes from. You can also see the vertex if you look at it in this form. Kind of look inside the parentheses. So x is -2, y is +3. Anytime it's in the values inside the parentheses with the variable, you change the sign. Okay, now we can find p. So p, remember, comes from a. A is equal to 1 over 4p. And this one's going to be a little bit more difficult to understand probably because of the fraction, but we'll get it. You do probably need to cross multiply. We can just put the -4 over 1, set that up, and we get -16p is equal to 1. So p is equal to -1 over 16. Okay, and this will tell me a lot of different things. This will tell me which way my parabola opens. This is negative. Also, p is negative, and so the parabola will open down. It'll also tell me how far the focus and directrix are from the vertex. They're a distance of just 1/16, so very close to the vertex, which gives us a skinny parabola. And let's go ahead and graph this. This is going to be hard to see, but that's okay. So put your vertex on the graph at -2, 3, and then my focus, and this thing is just crashing all over. My focus is going to be down, and it's negative. P is negative, so you're going to go down -1/16. So we're just going to put, it's like essentially right on top of that dot. I'll get it as close as I can with my stylus here. We'll call that the focus, and my directrix is going to be directly up from it. So it's not quite through it. And then your parabola is going to be a little skinnier, so we'll make it that way. And we're just sketching the parabolas. You don't have to worry about getting an accurate graph, but you need to have the directrix and the focus in the right spot, where the focus is inside the parabola every time, and the directrix is a line outside. So to find the focus, the x value doesn't change, but the y value does. And so we're going to start with -2 for the x value, and then we're going to 3, but we're just going to subtract 1/16. And you can use your calculator to find that, or you think you can do this as a mixed number or decimal. I'm okay with any of that. I'm going to do it as 2 and 15 sixteenths. So that's your focus. And even actually, if you just want to leave it as 3 minus 1/16, I'm okay with that too. The directrix, it's a horizontal line, so it's y equals. And the vertex at 3, but I counted up 1/16, so it's 3 and 1/16 away, or 3 plus 1/16 away. Okay, so once again, with the parabola, you need to be able to find the vertex. You need to find the focus, and you need to find the directrix. The key for those things is that a is equal to 1 over 4p, because if you find p, you can find the vertex and the directrix.